To give you guys a quick breakdown on the Stageek 34 pack pencil set, sharpener, mechanical carpenter pencils, blah blah blah. I paid $58. Well, actually I got $20 off when I ordered mine, but $58, but you can get up to $20 off depending on what time you buy it. But what all comes in this Stageek kit? And this is a real Stageek kit. This is not a counterfeit or a knockoff. There are some knockoffs out there. There are some fake ones. But what do you get in it? First, you get a really nice case, carrying case, zip up. Nice little acheté case that says Stageek on it. And it's stitched. It's not actually glued on. That is stitched on. So it's pretty good. Then you get all your refills. You get your 2.0 crayons. These are for coloring and that. And these go into these pencils here. These are the 2.0. So if you want to need other colors other than yellow, white, blue, green, black, or red, you got another wider selection of colors. Now you got all your 2.0 cartridges. You get 4 packs, 2 packs of black, 2 packs of yellow and red. Okay, 2 packs of yellow and red, 2 packs of your actual standard lead. You get replacement erasers for the mechanical pencil. And you also get some colored, 1 pack of red and yellow, 1 pack of black, 1.3 millimeters for the hard pencil. Then you got your 2.8s, which are for the larger pencils. You get 2 packs of white, green, and blue. You get 2 packs of yellow and red. And you get 2 packs of the lead, the graphite. Now you also get 3 fine tip markers. Fine tip markers, they're very fine tip. Let's see. And these are the lines that you get with them. Very fine tip. These are great for metalworking, plastics, and composites. You get 3 color-coded 2.0 mechanical pencils, steel head, steel back, good quality plastic. It's like I think it's more, I don't know what grade the plastic is, but they're pretty good and sturdy. You get 3 of those. You get 3 of the 2.8 mechanical pencils, which are for, you can use them for drafting, woodworks, and that. Then you get this one here, the 1.3 fine tip mechanical pencil. This is solid metal. She's got some weight to it. It's heavy. It's made to be carried in your pocket. It's made to be dropped, bashed, banged around, carried in your tool pouch, whatever. It's sturdy. It's solid steel. You get 1 carbon hardened and brass body scribe. This is good for metal work. That is a hardened carbon, so you can scribe your metal or you can scribe your wood. Really good for metal work. Then it comes with a spring-loaded centering punch with a spare tip. That's one of the pieces. You get a spare replacement tip with it. That's spring-loaded, mechanical. So you push it down and you hear the click and it makes your dot. Good for steel work, metal work, woodwork, composites. Great little thing. Nice little add to it. You get a little tiny bubble level. You get a target level. You get a nice white eraser. You get the pencil sharpener for sharpening your 2.0s. You get 2 pencil sharpeners that will sharpen the 2.0s and the 2.8s. Okay, you get 2 of them, so you get a spare, just in case you lose one, never know. And that's pretty much what you get. And what this kit's good for, this kit is good for woodworkers, architects, drafters, metal work, composite work. Great for everything. And the reason why I say it's good for architects and drafters, because it's got good selection of tips, and it's got good selection of colors. So if you like going out to job sites and drawing up rough plans with your customers on the site, and you've got your pad of paper, your 11 by 17 paper, and your couple rulers, you want to just sit there and sketch some stuff up. This got literally everything that you're going to need to get your lines, color code your lines, and give them an idea, and that. And also because of the crayon adds for these, it's gives you a couple more options. But all around, it is a really good kit. You get lots of refills, so you're not going to be running out anytime soon. And these will come in handy, trust me. You can glue them to your drill, you can tack them to your drill, use double-sided tape, put them on your drill, and stuff like that. Handy. But this is a great kit for woodworkers, metal workers, fabricators, engineers, architects, and carpenters. And to me, it was worth the price. Like I said, I got $20 off when I bought mine. These kits average, depending on where you buy it, in between $20 to $60, and depending on the country that you're in. I'm in Canada, so things sound a little bit more expensive, but they're really not. There's an exchange rate and all that stuff, yada yada yada. But all in all, it's a great deal. But be warned, there's stuff on Temu. There are stuff on Temu, stuff on Amazon that are not genuine Stageek. You have to be forewarned of that. And the quality is different on them. Totally different. Like the counterfeits do not come with the steel mechanical pencil. They do not come with the carbon hardened scribe. They do not come with a real hardened steel spring-loaded center punch. But you got to be really careful. And if you're buying this one in the kit, the real Stageeks, they're stitched. They're not glued on. There are some kits out there where this is glued on. The stitching is horrible. As you can see, the stitching may not be straight, but it's good solid stitching. Good solid stitching. So all in all, I love this kit. I've had it for a couple months now, and it was perfect. It's perfect for what I do, because I do a lot of designing on site. I do a lot of drafting. I do a lot of woodworking, and I also do metal work. I think this kit was worth every penny, and it's very robust. And they got even better kits. Like if you're into drafting, they've got an actual architect's kit. They got a kit for architects that's based around architects and doing architectural designs. They've got an art set for artists. Stageek has some really nice, robust, and very fulfilling kits out there. So give Stageek a look. If you're into architectural, drafting, arts, drawing, woodworking, metalworking, give Stageek a try. And no, I'm not getting paid to make this video in any way, shape, or form. Like I said, I had to buy this thing. And I got lucky that I got a discount when I did. But I'm happy with it. I love this kit. And I use it pretty much almost every single day. So give Stageek a check.